everyone, welcome back to itsNatzysKitchen. Today I'm gonna be making some chocolate truffles. These chocolate truffles need only 2 ingredients. So without further ado, let's see what those ingredients are. We'll be needing 240 grams of sweetened condensed milk and 80 to 100 grams of cocoa powder. Into a saucepan over low heat, add in the sweetened condensed milk and bring it to a very light simmer. Make sure not to boil this mixture. Once it starts to simmer, remove from heat. Then sift in the cocoa powder in small batches. Stop adding cocoa powder when the mixture is stiff to mix. Transfer the truffle mix into a square pan lined with parchment paper or plastic wrap. Spread the truffle mix into an even layer. And refrigerate for 2 hours. Into your work surface, sift in an equal ratio of cocoa powder and powdered sugar. Then lay the bar of truffle on your work surface and sprinkle with more cocoa powdered sugar mix. Cut the truffles into small squares. You can also cut it into any shapes you like. And coat the pieces in more of the cocoa powdered sugar mix. The ingredient measurements and the method is in the description box down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel right here and click down here to watch more of my recipes.